Good evening, students. As we were doing chapter number 13, surface area and volumes, and we have done the surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. So today we will start with cone. We will take third three-dimensional figure cone and we will find its curved surface area and total surface area. So firstly see what is a right circular cone. Right circular cone is that where the height and the radius makes an angle of 90 degree. Here you can see this is the radius and this is the height and both are making an angle of 90 degree here. So this is a right circular cone, and if this cone is like in this way, this is the base and this is the height. So here you can see this is the radius and height is this one, but angle between them is acute, so it is not a right circular cone. In cone we take one another dimension that is known as slant height and we represent this by L. As in a right angle triangle there are three dimensions: base, hypotenuse and base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Same here we are having base as radius, perpendicular as height and hypotenuse as slant height. So L is the slant height, and to find L we will use Pythagoras theorem, square root of h square plus r square, that is hypotenuse is equal to square root of perpendicular square plus base square. So this is how to find the slant height. After that, formula to find curved surface area of cone is pi r L. Pi already you know, r radius and L is the slant height. Then total surface area, that is pi r L plus pi r square, because total surface area is area of curve plus area of the base. So in cone, as base is a circle, so area of circle is pi r square. Okay, pi r is common, so here L plus r, this is the total surface area of cone. So two formulas we will use in this exercise. First question is, you have given diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter. Here diameter is given and slant height is given 10. We have to find the curved surface area. So we know to find curved surface area we need radius, and radius is obtained by dividing diameter with 2. So radius is 5.25 centimeter. Slant height is 10. Curved surface area pi r L. Put all the values and after calculation we can get the answer. That is 165.0 centimeter square. After that, second question, find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 21 meter and diameter of its base is 24 meter. Here again we have given slant height and diameter. So firstly we will find the radius, that will be 12 meter. Then total surface area we have to find. For that we will use the formula pi r into L plus r. Put the values: pi 22 upon 7, r 12, L 21 and r again 12. 21 plus 12, 33, and by solving this we will get the answer 1244.57 centimeter square. Then next, third question, curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square. Here curved surface area already given to us and slant height is given 14 centimeter. We have to find radius of the base and total surface area of the cone. So firstly, to find radius we will use the formula of curved surface area. It is given 308 centimeter square and L is given 14. So use formula pi r L is equal to 308. Put the values: 22 upon 7 into r we have to find, L is 14 is equal to 308. So r will be 308. This 7 will be multiplied on that side, 22 into 14. After solution we will get r as 7 centimeter. Then we have to find total surface area. Use the formula pi r, r plus L. Put the values of pi, r and L, and after calculation we get the answer 462 centimeter square. This is our third question. How to find total surface area when curved surface area and length is given. If here we have it is not given in question that find radius, then also we have to find the total surface area. Then next question number 4 is a conical tent is 10 meter high and its radius is given 24. We have to find the slant height. Now here simply we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. As here we have given h is 10 meter and r is given 24 meter. So we have to find its slant height. So you know slant height already I have told you in the formulas that L is square root of h square plus r square. We will apply this formula here. 10 square plus 24 square, that is 100 plus 24 into 24, 570. Square root of 100 plus 576, that is square root of 676, and it will be 26 meter. This is our slant height. After that, in second part, we have to find cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Now we have to make a canvas. To make a canvas, tent we have to make now. So tent is in the shape of a cone. There we have to find only curved surface area because we have no requirement of the base. So we will find curved surface area, that is pi RL. Put all the values. R is 24 and L we have find 26. Okay, so this will be the curved surface area, and then we have to find the cost. We will use the formula cost of 1 meter square, that is rupees 70, and cost of this much meter square. After calculation you will get the required answer. So students, today we have discussed up to question number 4. You will try these questions. If any doubt is there, then you can discuss with me in tomorrow's Zoom class. And next questions also you can try. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.